Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by verifying the order and whether it's eligible for cancellation. You don't need to wait. Log into Afterpay and the merchant account, find the specific order ID, and note payment schedule. Once done, determine whether the merchant or Afterpay must process the cancellation. Many merchants must cancel first. You should also check whether a refund posts to Afterpay automatically or requires manual reversal. Make sure to capture screenshots and timestamps for proof before proceeding to contact support. You now contact the merchant and request an immediate cancellation and refund to Afterpay, supplying the order ID and your Afterpay account email. Explain clearly you want the payment reversed, not credited as store credit. This helps stop scheduled Afterpay installments. Once the merchant confirms, ask for a confirmation number and expected timeline. Then log into Afterpay to watch for status changes, because Afterpay will either auto-adjust your payment plan or show a refund pending once the merchant completes their part. You finish by verifying the refund and that any future installments are removed from Afterpay. Check the app or website for updated balance and payment schedule. If the refund doesn't appear within the merchant's stated timeframe, contact Afterpay support immediately and provide the merchant's cancellation confirmation, timestamps, and screenshots. Make sure to ask for an escalation or case number. Troubleshooting tip: if payments continue, dispute the charge with your card provider while supplying Afterpay and merchant proof to accelerate reversal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.